Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to reply and forward email in Outlook. So let's start. Open your Outlook application and click on the email to reply on this email. Simply click on the reply option to reply your email and add here the recipient and write here the message in text area and click on send. That's it. I just close this. To reply all the recipient, just click on the reply all and you can see the all recipient is already added. If you want to add, just click on it and you can add here. Okay. Then write the message in text area and click on the send. I close it. To forward the email, just click on the forward and here you can see the email also forwarded here and just write the message in the text area, add the recipient and after that click on the send. That's it. So this is a way you can reply and forward email in Outlook. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.